What did I just... What?
Two raiders.
Down to the pirate legend area.
Welcome in, Raiders! I didn't know this was a thing. I didn't even know this was a thing. Alright. Floppy! Give me a second here. Let me get up on this cliff. Get a little safety here.
I have no idea anything about this thing. That was amazing.
Oh, definitely going up there. Look at that. Definitely going to go up there. Maybe not. Maybe this is the best I can get right. Nope. We can get up there. There we go. Alright. Raiders, welcome in. My name is Whoop, or Whoop You for Free. I'm a variety streamer from the United States, and I stream every night at 8 p.m. Central Time. I'm a disabled streamer. I'm disabled because I have to have a double lung transplant. But being disabled means I get to spend more time playing video games and hanging out with my community. I call my community the potluck because in America, when a group of friends comes together to share a meal and everybody brings something different to the table, it's called a potluck. And that's just like a gaming community. Everybody brings something different to a gaming community. If you'd like to join the potluck, we'd be happy to have you. Please feel free to smash that follow button and welcome in. But if you need more time to figure out if this is the place for you, we understand. Just sit back and relax, grab your snacks, enjoy the content, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. That's gonna break an ankle. Hello! How was your stream? As you can see, we are obviously on Tatooine.
This is like the lunar landing all over again, mate. Where's the stars, alright? You're actually on Tatooine. You're not fooling anybody.
Well, there are no stars. That's because of the sun glinting off the rings of Uranus on a Tuesday afternoon. On top of the Jawas, no shit. We need to cool down here for a minute. Too hot.
Simmer down, sunshine.
I am no longer overheating. Okay, we can work in the sunshine. Look at that. Or in the shade for a few minutes. I heard that. Allie, what do you got on you? Oh, you can take that then. And that. Take that. And that. That. We've got 104 salt. Man, it seems like we should have had more than that. There's a lot of salt nodes for only 100 salt. She's like, I'm up here. Where are you at? Yeah, stream's going pretty well so far.
Oh god, this gun takes forever to forge.
Oh, Floppy. What if I told... So if you were like everybody else, you made your base at the bottom of the hill when you first came in the game, right? What if I told you there was salt? There was a place for salt within 100 meters of your location.